Here's a 2015 Dodge Challenger. Come on, let's get real. Muscle wins every time, and this Challenger delivers. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Motor Trend reports, fear not Mopar mavens. Despite every exterior surface being different, the production Challenger is a near clone of the fervor-building Showstar, sporting necessary alterations that do little to diminish the shape's impact. Power, performance, passion, Dodge. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.